Alright, we got the Neotec BC260. We did a review on the BC520. We got the 26cc version. So we're going to see if it fits with some different attachments that they say it fits with, and see what it's got. So here we go. Alright, in the box we have your handle, bottom part, guard, harness to help hold it up with, handy dandy instruction manual, your tool kit that all of them come with. This one's a little smaller than the rest of them. Oh, can't forget the mixing bottle. So, and you get a blade with this one. It's the same kind of blade come on the BC520. So, and it looks to me that this has got the same end on it down here that the 520 had. So I'm doubting, and that's bent. Of course, this thing did go through a train crash, so that train that wrecked somewhere, this thing went through it, so I don't think that's Neotec's fault. Yes, this has got the same shaft and stuff in it, which this one don't slide out like the BC520 does, but the BC520 has. So let's just see if we can get this to work somehow. I doubt it will, but let's see. They say it will. I'm doubting it. No, that's not going to work. Nope, not going to work. So the attachments is going to have to be something you need to get from Neotec, or they're going to have to come up with some way to adapt this to work on other attachments that people may have. So. The good news is out here at the end, line up. Big hole. I might hold my mouth right or something. Well, I'm holding my mouth right. There it went. Takes a little finagling. That handle will probably get on my nerves over time, but for right now, I'll go like that. Let's see here. Looks like the same toolkit that come with the other one. You got your zip tie and all your nifty little tools that come with it, and your cotter pin. So, you get both of them, you have some extras with some stuff for tools for some. One of them if you lose it. Now remember, on these it's lefty tighty, righty loosey. So. Get the washer. Weedeater head on. So, same thing as the other one. Same design, just a smaller engine. And handles is going to be oriented differently. So if you're used to if you're already used to those, then this shouldn't be a problem. I don't like the guards they send you for, so we'll We ain't got the power tools. This handle's a little better. It's got the rubber inside it. And the other one, I'll put that plastic off in a little bit. And you'll have to get this down pat where you want it at. Forward, backwards, it's all gonna be your preference on this stuff. I'm not just slapping the torque to these things, I'm just tightening them down evenly here until they get tight where it won't move. Because I want to fire it up, weed eat with it, and I'll play with the settings for me later. There's that. This sideways I'm going to have to turn it because I won't even like that. Got the edging handle on it. You want to use it as an edger. Now the one thing I did notice on the last one is it held a lot of gas. This doesn't look like it holds that much. Maybe it does. But right here is the choke on and off was backwards on the BC520. So I don't know if they got that right or not. I don't know what that little doodag does, but we'll figure it out here in a second. Grips are nice on them. It feels comfortable. I need mine slid back just a little bit more, but feels like it's going to be. It's nice and light. Which for a weed eater, that's a good thing. Especially if you're slinging these things around all day long. Amsoil Saber at 50 to 1. I think that'll serve the purpose. Pump it up here a few times. Let's see what it'll do. I'm going to try where they say the choke should be. So, nope, there she popped. See what it does. That's comfortable. BC260. Didn't run it very long. We cut enough with me to figure out whether it's going to be good or not. Long distance or long term, yeah, we'll come back and visit it, but I don't think we'll have a problem. I've got, let's make the fifth Neotec, sixth Neotec piece of equipment that I've got. Not really had any problems that I can complain to Neotec about. So, and that being bent's not their fault. It was packaged pretty good, but I am certain that that's probably happened in shipping. So this one didn't come with the extra string, but I mean, you're gonna have to buy a string anyway if you weed eat a lot. So it takes the 0.95 or 0.95 whatever that is, string. I can't remember exactly but it's the 9.5s or the way I look at it. But it done good. I didn't even have to open it up all the way to weed eat this stuff, and some of it's pretty tall. But we'll get this stuff back here behind me today, and I ain't gonna video it, but I'll get all this done, and in a later video we'll get how it's done over time. I may come back a couple of months from now and let you know how it did, but hope you liked it.